guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. So, Matchbox Kits Catalogue 1977. This was when they changed their design from the very small A5 size. They went for like an A4 size, but it isn't like a brochure that's in a portrait mode, it's more in a landscape. So instead of it looking like this and you fold it over like the bindings this side, it's basically one of these. So you can go through it and let's see what kits they had on offer back in 1977. Wow, quite a long time ago. What are we talking about now? So add on the 3 makes that 80. So you're talking 43 years ago. That's incredible, isn't it? 43 years. So remember, I do these videos, I film them in HD. So if you go to the cog settings, go to quality, make sure that's up to 1080p. Watch it in full screen if you can. Also, if you want to slow it down, just click on the cog again and then click the playback speed and pick either 0.25 or 0.5 if you want to watch it slowly. Anyways, this is the Matchbox Kits Catalogue for 1977. Enjoy. So that was the Matchbox Kits Catalogue, and whether you saw as I did, that there was a really good range of kits that they had within the catalogue. If we open it up a little bit, you know, and everything was all pre-built and painted, so you could see what they look like outside the box complete. You know, before there was the box art was always a picture, but in the catalogue you can see that they've actually done it so that you can see the models all built. It's quite a vast range. I'd still like to know is what Matchbox were meaning by their orange range, their red range, their green range, you know, all these sort of things that they have in the catalogue. I don't know why they had a purple range, but anyway, you know, if anybody knows, can you put in the comments below why they picked all these colours for ranges. Now, one thing they did have in the back of the catalogue is this, where they announced that they had what's called a play kit. which was, it says here, now for the first time, Matchbox, you can build and play with the fabulous action play kits. I've never seen one. You know, I'm actually searching for one to add to my collection and probably do an unboxing of, but I've never seen a play kit. But what I'm assuming is that basically you get all of this in like a diorama set, and then you can then build it into here, and it tells you how to build the dioramas using blocks of wood, expanded polystyrene, and other household objects. So, you know, you can mix and match, put, you know, add the play kit to making your diorama. But there you go, that was the Matchbox Kits catalogue. And so if you do know what they mean by the range, colours, and what consists of in each colour, please let me know in the comments below. That'd be brilliant. Just quickly, I just want to point out that on Facebook there is a new group called the Scale Model Club. If you want to go and look for it on Facebook, you can join up. There's a few members on there already, but if you'd like to join the Scale Models Club, please do on Facebook. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell. Should be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I will answer and reply, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.